Here I'll show you how I made a copy of a 1960s and 70s shifter. Wasn't too hard. I used 5/8" round bar, cold rolled steel. Now it just so happens that the hitch of my truck or my SUV has a 5/8" hole right there, and I stick the bar in through that hole and out the opposite side. That would be the retaining pin for the hitch. I stick it in far enough so that I have excess at the end. I slide my cheater bar, which is about a 1-inch piece of pipe diameter, and then I use that as a fulcrum, and I pull on it until I get the angle I want. I keep checking my work. I look at this and compare it to the original until I get the desired bend at the top end of the shifter rod. Then I need to make the bottom one. So that's going to take work on the vise, on the bench vise. So that's pretty good. Now I need to mark and make another bend. But first I'll cut. Cut that where I have some excess at the end, and then I will bend it at my mark. I'll use the cheater bar again in my vise. And the longer the cheater bar, the easier this becomes. But I checked my work, not quite enough, bend it a little bit more, and now it looks good. Now I take it over, check my work one more time. Now it's time to remove the scale from the 5/8" round stock. So I take that back over to my vise, and I use a polycarbide wheel and take off the scale, and I have a nice shiny steel shifter rod. However, it does have a couple of scars from my vise. Those can easily be sanded down or removed with a spot weld here or there. And I have a duplicate of my shifter.